Have you ever wondered why the baby boomer generation is facing a retirement crisis? Today we dive deep into this pressing issue and its implications for society at large. We're on the brink of a significant retirement wave, as younger baby boomers reach the age of 65. A recent report from CBS News highlights the concerning fact that 2/3 of this generation don't have nearly enough saved for retirement. Disparities exist within this demographic, with white, male and college-educated boomers more likely to be prepared for retirement. For many, Social Security may become a primary income source, but questions loom large about its future sustainability. Loneliness, another significant issue, is plaguing this generation. Business Insider reports instances of retirees like Maria Mackey and Joe Lamy, who found solace and purpose in forming social groups to combat feelings of isolation. The National Poll on Healthy Aging underscores the importance of addressing loneliness, which can lead to severe health risks and impact overall well-being. The Federal Reserve's policies have been a boon for baby boomers, according to another report by Business Insider. These policies have increased asset prices and kept interest rates low, allowing boomers to accumulate substantial wealth. However, this has inadvertently widened the wealth gap between generations. On the flip side, baby boomers' spending in retirement may play a crucial role in supporting the economy and staving off a potential recession. The labor market rebound post-pandemic has unfortunately left many older Americans behind. The shift to online job applications and age discrimination are among the factors that make it harder for older workers to find employment. Community organizations and employers are encouraged to support older workers in rejoining the labor force, which could benefit the economy at large. To summarize, the baby boomer generation faces a retirement crisis marked by financial unpreparedness, loneliness, and difficulties in re-employment. The effects of these issues extend beyond the baby boomers themselves, impacting the economy and society as a whole. As we move forward, it's essential to address these challenges and ensure a secure and fulfilling retirement for all. Stay tuned for more in-depth coverage on pressing issues like these. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.